Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another informative video for all of you. I hope you all have watched my video on art of writing informal letter. If you haven't, you will find the link on the screen. Today we are going to discuss more about writing letters. We already know by now that informal letters are friendly letters that we write to our family and friends, whereas formal letters are business letters mostly written for official purposes from one stranger to another. Both types of letters have some similarities and some differences. Let us discuss them. First of all, we are going to discuss informal letters. Now, if we follow the modern format, the informal letters are also aligned to the left from the margin. At first, we write our address. First of all, your house number and house name or residence apartment's name, and then we write the area or road name followed by the city as well as the PIN code. After that, we write the date and then we write down the salutation. For informal letter, we always use dear before the name of the person to whom we are writing the letter. The letter is divided into three parts, obviously: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. And after the conclusion, we always end it with yours affectionately and then only our first name. We do not use our full name in informal letters. Now, let us discuss formal letters. Formal letters or business letters are most important letters that we need all the time for any official purposes. So it's very important for us to learn how to write it properly. So when we are writing formal letters, as usual, just like informal letters, first of all, we will write our address, that is the sender's address. The sender's address will be followed by the date, month and year. A small tips for my ICSE and ISE students: while writing the date in a letter, you must have seen in the latest format that you do not have to insert commas in date anymore. After the date, we write the name of the person to whom we are writing the letter, for example, the principal, the editor, etc. And then we write the address of the receiver. We also do not write subject in formal letters anymore. In modern format, subjects are not necessary. After the receiver's address, it's time for the salutation. Now, another tips for my students: while writing the salutation, we do not use respected or dear before sir and madam. We will just write sir or madam. The salutation will be followed by an intro, a body and a conclusion, just like the informal letter. And the introduction of the letter will have the subject why you are writing the letter. Because we don't use subject in formal letters anymore, so what we do is we add the subject in the introduction paragraph. After the conclusion, we have to end the letter with thanking you. Thanking you is not mandatory anymore, but you can add it. I would advise you otherwise. There's no need to add thanking you. Rather, you can dive into the next step, which is yours faithfully and then your full name. I hope this video will help you to master the art of writing letters, and I promise you to be back with such informative videos. Till then, take care.